Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here today. It is Wildcat Wednesday. I've got my Wildcat Wednesday shirt on. It's May 12th. Please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You guys can have a seat. So we've been talking about reliability this week. And remember, that means people can count on you and you are reliable. Well, part of being reliable means that nobody has to tell you to be reliable. So I want you to think this morning. I'm going to let you pause me. And I want you to raise your hand and say some things that you think you should be doing by yourself without having a reminder. Okay? Examples of reliability is what we're looking for. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to let you pause me. I can't pause you. And then talk about things you should be doing without a reminder. Nice. I hope you had a whole bunch of good ideas. When you see me around the school today, like out at recess or in the hall, tell me one of those things that you think you can do without a reminder. I got another one that our whole school just needs to be reliable about, and we took care of this. Oh man, last time we took care of this, kindergarten through second graders. You guys did an amazing job helping with this, and it's kind of time to help with it again. Can I count on you? Can you be reliable enough to take the rocks off the field again? Don't feel like you have to take them all off. Maybe kindergarten you can spend 2 or 3 minutes taking rocks off the field. Maybe first grade can spend 2 or 3 minutes at the start of their recess, second grade, and then by the end of the day, we'll just have a nice clean field again. It's starting to get a lot kicked on there. If you happen to be walking down the hall and you see rocks in the hallway, just pick them up, put them back in the rocks. If you're walking by the picnic tables, you see some trash, pick it up, put it in the trash can. Let's keep this place looking really nice. Have a great day, Achieve.